Essentially, one of the big problems we had in our maintenance period was a massive labour drain when we were doing our line marking. We would have all staff, upwards of 9 to 10 people, marking all our fields. We have approximately 44 fields in Randwick. We'd mark them all from scratch for the winter season. Meanwhile, while we're doing the line marking, the rest of the maintenance doesn't stop. The grass is still growing, amenities need to be cleaned, clubs need to be serviced. So we were looking for options to try and reduce the amount of labour we spend on this process, but also keep the high standard of fields that we produce. We went out and did research, and we ended up purchasing a GPS guided line marker. And some of the benefits are that essentially it's a 1 or 2 man job. All our fields are stored within the system and are accurate to the millimetre. Once we've put all the calculations and measurements into the machine, we've gone from 3 people marking a field taking approximately 3.5 hours to 1 person marking a field from scratch taking 1 hour.
And when this machine starts, it automatically looks for the satellites, and it connects to the 15 or 16 whichever is available, and out of that one the actual machine selects the one, and once it gets the connection established, we can start marking straight up. With this machine, as we got all our fields on the computer, it's very easy for anyone to go on any field and mark it without any measurements, because all our fields are stored already with the field name and field numbers. We can always back up all our fields onto the local computer or a hard drive with the help of the USB. And if we get distracted, and if we are moving away from the line, the machine will stop automatically. So it will always mark perfect straight line. The other good advantage is we don't need to worry about start and stopping for the rugby league dashes. It starts and stops automatically, so we don't need to worry about when to stop and when to start, and it gives us accurate dashes as an international standard.
It's dramatically decreased our labour use and also allowed our staff to do what they do best, which is the maintenance of the outfields, keeping the fields looking good and presenting really good facilities for the clubs to start the season on a good foot, and just saves an amazing amount of time and cost for the organisation.